So one of this week's jobs is a Swingo, little airfield road sweeper thing. Just come in with rust around the arches, some rust around the back of the cab, and then we've got a hole in the footwell there. And I think things aren't too happy under there in the floor either, so we're going to get all of that sorted. First things first, we need to get the saddle tank off the side, get the wheel arch off, get the wheel off, and anything else that we need to get access. Probably going to have to take the seat out and a few other bits and pieces. So that's the first job, and that will probably take us through to the end of the day, if not into tomorrow morning. So we've actually made better progress than I thought we were going to do on this. Got the side tank off, got all of the interior out that we need to, so that we can see this hole here. You can see that this is all knackered here. Right the way around, these rails are bad. And when we go underneath, we can see that it's bad around the back here. That's the hole in the wheel arch. And there's a plate that someone else has put in there that has been welded in, that I'm going to have to cut out to actually make access for. So tomorrow's job will be clean all this back, find the extent of the rust, and then go from there. So it's Thursday morning here. Just gonna have a tidy up, get the tools off the floor. All of these tools, all of these nuts and bolts and everything can be bagged up and put away tidy. No need for them to be anywhere near while I'm doing the welding. All of the remaining upholstery and things need to be covered up with blankets. And then we can have a good clean down and see where the extent of the rust is. So now we've cut away the rotten steel. What have I done? What have I done? Anyway, we're back to somewhere we can weld to. Before we go too far, we're gonna scrape all of that shit out and give that a good clean and treat inside. This here has got to be chopped out and then taken down square. That one there is going to be squared up and cleaned. This is all okay, this is all solid. So we're not looking too bad there. Now my biggest problem is replicating this profile. So we've got a radius here and then we've got two different bits of stuff going on there. I don't think I'm going to be able to make that in one, or even get anyone to make it in one. So I'm going to have to have a bit of a think about how to make this and how to make it right. So I dropped the old profiles off with Right Track Engineering, who are going to have a look at the making new sill pieces for me. So they're going to just make that in a length and I can chop it and weld it as need be. So until then, all I can do is clean up all of this lot, clean up anything that's flaking, clean up anything that I'm going to be welding against, get it rust proofed, get it primed, and then that's pretty much it until whenever those bits are ready. Right, so we're going to get a coat of rust proofer onto this now, anywhere that's exposed, anywhere that's looking a little bit dodgy. I use Rust 661, which is very similar to built amber and that sort of thing. It's better than your Hammerite stuff, mainly because I find it thicker and it clings a bit more, so it doesn't run off the panel as quickly. And it seems to be better for overcoating as well. So we'll get that done and then get some temporary primer on it to stop things from flash rusting.